What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while, but we are back. I have some stuff for you to show and a little update on everything that's been going on. So let's check things out. So I got these Nebo lights, and I actually, I was in UPS store one day years ago, and I picked this up. It has a magnetic swivel clip. It's battery operated. I thought it was a good little, good little light. This is actually like the second one I bought. I have not gotten a lot of use out of this one, but the first one I beat to crap. The next one I got pretty recent, probably like a year ago. This stays in my glove box, but it's this one. I forget how many lumens. It's just a really nice light. I like it a lot. I think there's a way to, or maybe it's up here. Yeah, there's like a dial to tone things down. But simple on off, waterproof, all that stuff. And then I believe the end of this twists off, unscrews, and then you can power something and charge it from here. Anyways, made me want to pick up these. So I got some new Vito Pro Pack bags now that I'm working on my own again, and thought these would be perfect for them. So let's open these up and check them out real quick. We are back. So this one is about 17-18 bucks on Amazon. You can see how thin a profile that is. The clip is actually very, let's see this, it's solid, it's strong, I like it. So magnetic base. Let me turn it on here. Let me turn the lights off. It's a nice shine down on the work area. If it were above my workbench, there you go. Nice little unit. I like it. Definitely like it. And I mean, it's just so small. It's so small, you can just fit it anywhere you want to. It'd be nice if it had like a little flashlight up top or something also, but I'm alright with that. This one, I believe, was, man, it's under 30 bucks, I believe. But so you got the work area light and then a flashlight also. So you turn it on, got the flashlight. Nice bright. And then I think you have, whoop, 1, 2, 3 settings. That's off, and then hold the button down. Then you got your work area light. Does have a magnetic base there. Although, I don't know why it's shutting off. It might be because they just came today and not charged or anything. I mean, lights up the work area perfect. I really like that. Really do. Alright, so these two buttes, they're going to go along with my other one here. They come with a USB-C cable, both of them. So is this one. Just like to be upfront, is made in China. Both of them. You know, I try and buy American made when I can, but I'm not like, I think these are actually of nice quality. You could probably find them in some other brand, but the price point's there. It's not like they're ridiculously expensive for a nice product. Another thing I purchased were these Cobb rechargeable lights, also made in China, but they are USB-C as well. And as you can see, it's a nice small design. Like, there's my hand, and got the lights, and then you can open them up like that, so they're one. And you can make the stand do a bunch of different things. It's magnetized at the bottom. Here's the light. That's both of them, and we'll just test it out. So, not sure what they claim for the you know, lumens, but they had a good run time. Something like, if it's on low, 48 hours or something. Got power indicators, all that stuff. But it's a 2-pack, and stuff like this comes in handy. It really does. So you guys have known me for a while. I've been a huge Ryobi guy. Still am a huge Ryobi guy, but I've moved on. And I've reacquired some tools that I had lent a buddy for about 8 years. But I'm on the DeWalt train 100%. I like it. I like the stuff a lot. Works well. Could definitely get by with Ryobi, but like the miter saw, the table saw, everything slightly just a little more better in tune, you know, better quality. But getting back to the lights, you know, lights are always something good to have, whether you're plumbing in a tight space, in an attic or crawl space, you know, doing drywall finishing, something where you need to see everything. So like, I picked up these to replace my Ryobi ones. I picked up a lot of DeWalt stuff, actually. Now, these have always been my tried and true, especially on plumbing and stuff. These have been fantastic through the years. I think I've had these 2018-ish. But, I mean, even the Great Milwaukee, there you go, made in China. So, you know, I'm not against buying things from China every once in a while. But I think these are all decent. I definitely like this Nebo lineup. They're going to get a lot of use. I like my old school stuff also. I think these are, you know, I haven't tested them or whatever, but they seem decent enough. I'm going to link these things in the bio, description, whatever's, you know, said down below. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I have a lot more content coming, shorts, you know. Check me out on Instagram. I think that's it. But TikTok, I'm on there. Surprisingly, I don't do much there, but I'm there. Home shopping network, basically. Anyways, cheers. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And these Nebos are nice, you know. And I got some Vito Pro packs and DeWalt tools I got to show you guys. Some projects. And, you know, let me know down in the comment section what you guys want to see. If you saw anything on this mess of a workbench that you also want to see, let me know. I'll catch you later. See ya. So apparently, I mean, I hate to be blunt about this, but I'm going to extend the video a little longer. Just slightly. For no reason at all. But my fish tank is just booming with awesomeness. And I want to show you guys. So here we go. There you go. You got a clown loach. Just see him back there. Got silver dollar fish, angel fish. Just get mad at each other. This guy is a gold Grommy. He ain't doing as good as the other gold Grommy I have in there. But you can see the blue Grommy, the Bohemian rainbow fish, skirted tetras. I have these kissy face Grommies. They are 9 years old. My daughter picked them out. Anything that's pink in here, my daughter picked out. There's some 8-year-old Buenos Aires tetras right there. There's 2 of those in there. My son picked those out. Got a good bit of tetras in there. Skirted tetras, striped. You know, you got down there. These ones are cool because they're like clear, see-through. Because during the day you could see them. I had a clear catfish once. Just did not work out. But this clown loach is getting big. I have 2 more in there. He went a little weird and hid inside something I had in there. These tiger barbs I hate. I have 1 left. I don't dislike. But the clown loach was out of my tank for a dinner time, sitting in a thing that I pulled out to clean, and then had hot water poured on it, and then started making some noise. But he's in there. He's doing good. I'm hoping he stays healthy. They're a little fidgety. But these angelfish, I never thought to have an angelfish. The way they move, they just like, they float. It's crazy. Like, there's a lot of movement, but so little also. If you step back, I know the light's in the way. Stupid light, but beautiful fish. And then these silver dollar ones, they're just skittish as all get up. Anyway, just thought I'd add that in.